literally, Magic Mike Plania is the kind of guy who fell in love on his power, Sir Pao.
Powcast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This content is presented by Arena Plus, Astig sa Sports.
Yung last fight ni Mike Plania sa sa Parañaque. So it was after nung kay Pierce, natalo siya kay Pierce, tapos naging tune-up fight niya si Nicolas sa Parañaque. Then ngayon, then after nung kay Angelo Leo, parang for me, it's a redeem fight for him. Kasi ilang beses na siyang umaabot sa, muntik na makaabot sa tuktok, tapos babalik na naman. Tapos yun. So hopefully in this fight, alam ko, hopefully, after this fight, there will be a belt, hopefully. But this would be another fresh start kay Mike Plania sa US, and hopefully sana mananalo siya dito with a good note, with a good note.
What do you think about his opponent?
Yung Leo di ko kilala, yung Leo di ko kilala, pero si Plania, I'm super fan of Mike Plania kasi taga dito sa amin.
Pare, matindi kasi itong Angelo Leo. Itong Angelo Leo, nakalaban na to ni Stephen Fulton. Alam ko, world title holder din ito, pero hindi rin niya nadepensahan yung kanyang title. So, kay Stephen Fulton napunta yan, and then this guy as well is kinda parang sila ni Mike, nandoon na sa bandang taas. Pero ito, nakaakit ng konti, nababa kagad. Si Mike, talagang he's trying to get into the top. This is gonna be a hard fight for Mike Plania. Although I think kaya niya to kasi hindi naman to ganito kalakas. Sa tingin ko, he can win on this fight. Sana knockout niya. Kasi teritoryo ng kalaban sa tingin ko yung lalabanan niya. Winter, anong masasabi mo?
Well, here's the thing, Sir Pao, about Angelo Leo. The guy is a former super bantamweight world champion. And another thing for this guy is, yes, he is not literally may one punch knockout o meron man siyang power. Out of his 23 fights, just 10 wins coming out by way of knockout, 22-1, tapos 10 knockout lang. Yes, hindi man siya ganun ka-powerful, pero I think medyo mag-ingat pa rin si Mike Plania because of the consistent body work and the inside fighting na kayang ibigay ng Angelo Leo.
And yung talo ni Leo, yung only talo lang talaga ni Leo is from Fulton.
Yes.
So ganun, so let's expect na ganun katigas tong boxer na to, and this would be a challenging one for Mike Plania kasi they're both they're both redeeming themselves. They are worthy for a world title match. So yun. So hopefully Mike will win with the best as he can.
Yes, I hope that he will win this fight, Sir Pao. But you know, kasi si Mike medyo nagiging predictable na yung left hook niya eh. He's always waiting for that left hook na makatama siya. And yung laban niya kay Elijah Pierce, I thought he is winning that fight until that knockout came. Actually, no one is expecting that Elijah Pierce will knock Magic Mike Plania out. Why? He faced the caliber of Raiz Alim. He even survived that one. Nakain niya yung mga best shots ni Alim, hindi siya bumagsak. Tapos nakalaban niya yung ang pangalan niya noon, si Night Knight, yung prospect kasi ng Greer, si Night Knight, di ba? Napabagsak pa niya yun. I thought that really he is one of the prospect to be a world champion, but hindi naman natin dapat talagang sabihin na si Mike Plania porket natalo dun kay Elijah Pierce, wala na siyang talent or wala na siyang kakayahan na mag-world champion because yung power ni Mike Plania talagang kaya niya magpatulog ng tao eh. But kailangan ni Mike Plania pa ng more volume punching on this fight. He can just wait for one punch knockout because literally Magic Mike Plania is the kind of guy who fell in love on his power, Sir Pao.